Lucas story time. Tilda's grass dash. In a meadow where the grass swayed like waves and the sky stretched wide and blue, there lived a little elephant named Tilda. Tilda had a trunk that sprayed water in playful arcs and ears that flapped when she trotted through the wild flowers. Her home was a shady grove by a bubbling stream, where she splashed in puddles, nibbled on bushes, and trumpeted tunes that echoed through the trees. She loved the slow pace of her grove, the cool shade, and the way the mud squished under her feet. One bright afternoon, Tilda lumbered out, her trunk swinging as she hummed a splashy song. The meadow sparkled under the sun, and she wandered toward the stream, her toes sinking squelch into the damp earth. She scooped water with her trunk sploosh, spraying it high, giggling as it rained down on her ears, when a quick patter came from the grass. "Tilda, you're so slow." It was Fawn, a little deer who lived in the clearing nearby. Fawn pranced over, his hooves clicking tap, tap, his tail flicking as he dodged a puddle. "Slow?" Tilda trumpeted, shaking water from her trunk. "The grove's perfect, cool and comfy." Fawn tilted his head, his antlers catching the light. "The meadow's better fast and free. Want to swap?" Tilda's ears flapped. "Me? Run?" Fawn hopped in a circle. "Try it. I'll splash you dash." Tilda tilted her trunk, her hum turning curious. She'd never raced through grass her legs were made for stomping. Not sprinting, but Fawn's meadow looked wide and wild, stretching to the horizon. "Okay," she said, "but you'll see the stream's more fun." Fawn bleated, "Deal." And they swapped spots, Fawn bounding to the grove, Tilda stepping into the meadow. Tilda shuffled onto the grass, her trunk swaying as she took a big step, thump, the ground springing under her weight. "Here goes," she trumpeted, and charged, thump, thump, her legs pumping, ears flapping like wings. The grass blurred past, green and gold wind rushing through her fur, and she laughed, her voice booming across the meadow. "Fast!" she shouted, but her trunk swung wild swish, and she tripped over a rock, crash, tumbling into a heap. "Oof!" she huffed, grass sticking to her trunk. "Too bouncy." In the grove, Fawn leaped to the stream, tap, tap, his hooves skidding on wet stone slip. "Whoa!" he bleated, catching himself. "This is slick." He dipped a hoof in splash, and giggled as water sprayed his nose. "Cool," he said, splashing against splish, splosh, his tail flicking with delight. He tried scooping like Tilda dip, but his hooves splashed more on him than up. "Messy," he bleated, shaking his head, water dripping from his antlers. Tilda picked herself up, brushing grass from her ears, swipe, and tried again, thump, thump, running toward a hill. The wind roared past, her trunk flapping, and she reached the top, pant, looking out at the meadow sweep. "Big," she trumpeted, but her legs wobbled tired, and she plopped down, rolling a little wee before stopping. Fast is hard, she huffed, chewing a blade of grass crunch. That tasted sharp, not juicy like her bushes. Fawn waded deeper splash, his hooves slipping skid, and he laughed as mud squished between them squelch. Slimy, he bleated, trying to trumpet like Tilda bleat honk. But it came out squeaky. A fish darted by zip, and he chased it hop, splash, slipping into a puddle plop, his antlers tangled in vines. Stuck, he huffed, tugging free snap, mud dripping down his nose. This is wild. The sun sank low, casting orange streaks across the meadow, and Tilda called her trumpet echoing Fawn. This grass is too fast. Fawn splashed out, muddy and grinning. And this stream's too wet. They met halfway, Fawn prancing, Tilda trudging, and laughed, Tilda's hum rumbling. Fawn's bleat high. Grove's mine, Tilda said, flapping her ears. Fawn nodded, hopping. Meadow's me, but let's swap again tomorrow. Tilda grinned, her trunk curling. Just for fun. She dashed like Fawn and loved her grove more, and his quick whirl made hers feel cozier. That evening, she left a muddy leaf by Fawn's clearing as thank you for their swap dash.